Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a car that redefines luxury, technology, and performance. The all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is more than just an executive sedan. It's a statement of innovation and elegance. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this next-generation E-Class truly special. From the very first glance, you can tell this is a Mercedes-Benz, but not just any Mercedes. The new E-Class takes design sophistication to the next level. It features sleeker lines, a more aggressive stance, and an illuminated front grille that adds a futuristic touch. The signature digital LED headlights seamlessly integrate into the bodywork, while the flowing roofline gives it a coupe-like silhouette, making it as dynamic as it is luxurious. Step inside, and it's a whole new world. The MBUX Superscreen, stretching across the dashboard, puts cutting-edge AI and infotainment at your fingertips. The system learns your habits, adjusts settings based on your preferences, and even has built-in TikTok and Zoom for on-the-go connectivity. Add to that a 64-color ambient lighting system synced to the sound system. And this cabin isn't just a place to sit, it's an experience. Under the hood, Mercedes offers mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains, delivering a balance of power and efficiency. The 3.0L turbocharged inline-six with EQ boost pushes out an impressive 430 horsepower, giving you smooth acceleration and effortless cruising. And if you're after all-electric driving, stay tuned. Mercedes is working on a full EQE version of this beauty. The 2026 E-Class is everything we love about Mercedes-Benz, elevated to a whole new level. It's bold, intelligent, and built for the future. But now, I want to hear from you. Is this the best E-Class yet, or do you miss the classics? Drop a comment below, and let's talk cars.